Hey everybody, so we got an item in mail. It could be from the dual blower AcmeTools order that I got, or it could be from something else. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so we got this package in the mail from AcmeTools. It could be from the Milwaukee and DeWalt blower kits that I picked up from AcmeTools, or it could be something else entirely. Let me know what your guys' guesses are. What do you guys think's in the box? It is a where is it on here? It says it's 5 pounds net weight, or actual weight. Doesn't say the dimensions, really. I guess so. Measure it then. 11 5/8 by 11 5/8 by 9 5/8. What's the dimensions of it? What do you guys think's in the box? Do you think it is the third item that was supposed to come with the Milwaukee M18 Gen 2 blower and the DeWalt FlexVolt blower, or is it something else? What do you think in the box, guys? I do appreciate your time. I appreciate you guys playing along and just having a good time with me. Leave your comments down in the comment section on what you think's in the box. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.